Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be making the part 2 to how to make a text-based RPG using Python. So if you guys haven't already watched the first video, you guys should go watch that first and then come back to watch this video. Alright, so where did we leave off? Alright, so we just created a single function, the travel function. So in today's video, it's going to be very short compared to last time. So we are just going to be creating one extra very simple function, and that is going to be the look function. So we gotta make that function. Again, here's the key, which we get from the input, and then we have to create the look function. And we are going to make this very, very simple. It's just going to be actually I forgot. Oh, just you see a nice town, because it's an RPG, you're in a town. So we have another line break, and so let's test that out real quick. We type in look, and there we go, that works. We type in travel, and there it is. So next, obviously the user can't just read the code and look for what this choice dictionary is. So actually I just thought there's probably a way to automate this, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to type it out word by word. So commands and a line break, and then we are going to do first travel. It doesn't matter that it's all uppercase because again, or sorry, first letter is uppercase because we do have the lower function to set it back down. So travel to travel elsewhere, and then after that line break and followed by look. To look around the area. So there we go, and now we run it, and there it is. Now the user could tell the commands without having to look into the source code. So next, we're just going to fix this, because if we do like a quest, command not in dictionary, we're going to complicate this kind of in a way, a little bit. We are going to change the quotation marks to the apostrophes so that we could type quotation marks inside of it, inside of the string. We're going to do that. Command not in dictionary. So the reason we want to do that is so we could use dot format, or the format function, which will change this to whatever we have in here, and we want to switch it to choice, because if this is not found in the dictionary, we'll just take this and shove it in there. We type in quest, command quest is not so the people don't know there's a dictionary in the source code, so we're just going to do command is not is not available. Let's just say that, I guess. Quest command quest is not available, and there we go. But since we have not done too much, command quest is now available. So I'm not going to go fully in depth into this just yet. I will make one final video after this, but we are going to do... Alright, so this quest is going to be fighting a goblin. That's simple. So we're going to want the goblin to have health. So we are going to set the goblin's health just to 1 because we don't want to overcomplicate this. Obviously, if you guys want to go ahead, you guys could add more to this, but I'm just going to do, so for the quest, we are actually going to need the goblin's health. Oh, sorry. Global goblin health. Actually, if any of you guys know a better way of doing this, please let me know in the comments, because I heard the global function isn't too helpful, and also it takes up a lot of space. Let me look for somewhere, like right here in this code that I made over here. It's terrible, takes up so much space. Oh, actually, another thing I forgot to say in the last video. This choice dictionary is made instead of this, where I made basically some if statements to see the choice is shop or quest or all these different things. It's better to just check the dictionary, see if it's there, and then execute the function from there. But anyway, just to start this off, we are going to say, so obviously there's a way to kill the goblin, so first we have to check if it is alive. So if goblin health is greater or equal to 1, let's say. Or actually, no. If goblin health is less than or equal to 0 instead, to start with that, we are going to print the goblin has been defeated. I would write the goblin is dead, but that seems a bit very very gruesome for a simple text-based game. But anyway, if the goblin's health is not less than 0, then we are going to print you find a goblin. What do you want to do? So to set up for what will happen next, we are going to right here write down the commands. So commands, because of course the commands will not be the same as down here. So commands, and just to make this simple, we're going to have attack and run. The reason I am not attaching a description to this is because, I mean, it's kind of self-explanatory. Attack, you attack, run, you run. Those are very common things, so there's no need to overcomplicate it. We're also going to add a line break right here, just again to keep everything looking nice. And we are going to end this off for today with Battle Goblin. We'll get started on this function in the next video, but Battle Goblin. The reason I named it Battle Goblin is because, just to fill this out, just so we don't get any errors, let's just say that. The reason it's Battle Goblin is because you never know. Realistically, you want more than just a goblin to fight, so Oh, we forgot to add this in here. So quest to go on a quest. There we go. So now, there we go. You find a goblin, what do you do? And this only results with fight for now. But again, next time we are going to get into it. But for now, thank you guys for watching. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed, if you liked the video, if you commented. Any questions you guys have, if you guys know any way to make this code better, or if you guys have any criticisms on my videos, because this is my first tutorial series. And also, you guys should go follow me on Instagram and Twitter at manual with 2Ls _191. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.